What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm happy to say the videos are back.
The videos are back?
The videos are back! Yes, Braden, the videos are back. So today's video is just gonna be a quick, short, little overview of all the parts I've been stacking, because over the last couple months while I've been in school, I have been stacking a ton of parts. So the next couple of weeks, you're gonna see me post a lot of videos of me installing these parts. Honestly, they should be really fun videos, and I'm so excited to be back filming these videos because honestly, I have such a good time doing it. Just a little explanation why I've been gone for so long. First of all, back in the summer, I was just working so much. I was working like minimum 12-hour days. So working that much and then going back to try to film videos, I don't know, I just didn't do it. I definitely could have, there's no excuses, but that is my excuse. Also, after working all summer, I was back in school, but I did not have the Civic for the first couple months I was back in school because my sister needed it because she's doing school in the States. So she needed it to go back and forth. She's just in Buffalo, so it's only like an hour. So she would come visit my parents on a weekly or every other week basis. So she had the Civic, but now she has a new car. So the Civic is all mine in all her glory, and we got a ton of new parts that we're gonna be installing on her, and I'm so freaking excited. So these right here are all the parts I've been stacking. Well, not all of them, because the biggest one isn't actually here. I bought new wheels for the car, a new set of wheels and tires, so I'll go ahead and do that reveal in a later video because I'm super excited for that. But as you know, in Canada, the winters are brutal, so no way I'm driving my nice, beautiful new wheels with these salty roads and absolutely destroying them. So no chance that's happening. And I also got really, really good tires on them. I picked them up for a great deal on Facebook Marketplace, but like I said, I'll make a video of that on another day. So the parts I got right here. First of all, let's go with the big one. Side skirts. I finally got side skirts for the Civic. They're not very aggressive or anything. They honestly flow a lot with the body lines, but they do make the car appear a little lower than they actually are. So I will be painting these here. I'll be painting them white as I'm at my boy's shop right now, but I'll go over that in a little bit. So first thing, side skirts. Second thing, front lip. I got a new front lip for two reasons. Number one, I didn't really like my old front lip. Braden, say what's up. I see you creeping over there.
The videos are back.
The videos are back. So I didn't really like my old front lip. I made a video on that before. I'll go ahead and link that right there. It was just cheap. It was ugly. This one's honestly pretty cheap too, but it's a lot better looking than the old one. And the second reason, well, I'll go ahead and show you right now. And as you can see, my once upon a time 3-piece lip is missing one of the pieces, and probably the main piece right here in the middle. So while my sister did have my car over in Buffalo, New York, she destroyed my front lip. Whatever, stuff happens. If that's the only thing she ruined, it was successful. So got that part still. They're not gonna be on for very long. I'm probably gonna be taking them off within the next day or two. I'm super excited to put the new front lip on because this one it was ugly, it was cheap, it was stupid looking. I had those big gaps. Nah, the Civic's gonna look a lot better, and that right there is one of the places where it's really been lacking. So we went over the two big pieces you see here. The next piece right here, headlights. I made a video when I picked these up a while back. I just never got to installing them, to be honest. I was waiting till I came here at Alpha AutoZone to come install them, just because it would be easier to take off my bumper when it's on the lift. So I've been waiting for now, and now we finally have the chance. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually customize these a bit. I'm gonna put in new projector bulbs because these ones are halogen, which are just plain ugly. Sorry if you got halogen bulbs, but it's just not it. So yeah, I'll be making a video on installing these in the next couple days as well, and then I'll be posting that shortly. Next, we got something small right here. I actually got it for Christmas from my Secret Santa, so thank you, Secret Santa. It is a shift knob. It actually has a very nice weight to it. I'm pretty sure it's a Rep Mugen one, but it's a shift knob. I don't really care too much, but it's pretty nice, honestly. It has a carbon fiber, red tinted carbon fiber, probably fake carbon fiber too, but that's okay. So it'll really match nice with the red accents in the Civic's interior. And then the final box you see here, it has first starting off, it has some yellow tint. This is just for the fog lights. Super simple, super cheap mod to do, but I feel like every Civic SI kind of needs it. It's a big Civic thing. The two big Civic things are these and red emblems, and to be honest, I'm not really a huge fan of red emblems, so I'll probably be keeping my stock ones. Who knows, maybe in like a month or two I'll change my mind, but I find them a tad bit cheesy. Sorry. Next in here, I have this purple iodized battery tray holder thingy. I didn't buy this, I got it for free. When I picked up the new wheels, the guy just threw them in, so thanks. I don't know if I'm gonna be installing this either, because I feel like installing this in a extremely super stock engine bay is not it. You know what I mean? It's just not it. But the whole box here, the main box, what actually came in this box is the cheesiest of cheesy. We're going full Rolls Royce, baby. Yes, we got the Starlight headliner. Yup, we did it. Full twinkle mode, full everything. I'm not like, seriously, I'm not huge into all these tacky mods, but I'm really excited for this one. Brayden, when I told you I was gonna do this, how excited was I?
Not at all.
Don't lie to me. Don't lie to them. I'm not monetized. You can have beer.
He was excited.
I was so excited, man. I was so excited. So I'm gonna be installing this. I'll make a couple videos out of this. Number one, I'll probably do how to remove the headliner, because I'm gonna be going through that process. So I may as well show you guys. And if you guys want to remove it and you're not installing the headlight starliner, you won't have to watch that whole video. And then the second video, obviously, I'm gonna do a how to install these Starlight headliners. And guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so cheesy, so corny, but you don't have to have it on all the time. So like, if you're cruising with your boys, just throw it on, little joke. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. So yeah, that's basically all the mods that I bought for it. I've been stacking these for a bit. I know it's not a ton of stuff, but for a student, you know what I mean? Gotta pay for other stuff, gotta pay for groceries, so I'm happy. I'm very excited. But now I'm gonna talk quickly about the shop I'm in right now. Owner right there, hiding behind the hoist.
Hi, Mom.
This is Brayden, the owner of Alpha AutoZone, and this is his 66 Mustang. 68 Mustang, which is also gonna be featured on the channel. It's a beautiful coupe, and we're just so excited to start building this thing too. This is my Christmas break, and instead of going on vacation, I was like, screw that. I'm gonna go up to Collingwood, up to Alpha AutoZone, the sickest shop I'm gonna go say the sickest shop in Ontario. And yeah, we're just gonna be building this. We're gonna be doing little mods on this. So excited, but quick little overview of the cars in the shop. We got Trans Am, we got a 69 Camaro, we got a GTO clone over there that's being built, and we got a Chevelle right there. So serious cars in the shop right now. One of the most trusted guys in Collingwood. So if you do need work, come on by and say J-Cam sent you for a $10 offer. Do it. Say J-Cam sent you.
You know what?
My promo code.
If someone from your video comes, I'll give them a free oil change.
Free oil change. Imagine this video pops off.
I would be so mad.
I'll go ahead and link his socials in the description. He has a TikTok that's popping off right now. Instagram, Facebook, all that. I'll go ahead and link it. Link to his website too. But yeah, guys, the videos are back. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna have a good time. If you're watching, you're definitely gonna have a good time. You can see that energy's back. So excited to be making these. Let's get her going, boys.